This is a message for all the young people and children in Wales from your Education Minister. I know life is pretty different for everybody at the moment. You might be feeling a bit fed up, you can't see your friends as much as you used to, and perhaps you're missing some of your relatives, maybe your mamgi or tadki, your nana, your bampi. And it's a tough time for older people too, especially for those who perhaps are in hospital or in a care home or in a hospice. So I need you to help cheer them up. I'm looking for Hwb Heroes. If you could perform a song, play a musical instrument, write a story, a poem, or simply send in a piece of art, we want to host those pieces of work on a special page on our Hwb Learning platform. We then want to share those with people who may be feeling a bit lonely in hospitals or in nursing homes. So if you want to be a Hwb hero and you can send a message of hope, love, or even a digital coach to those that are feeling a bit lonely at the moment, then please send your work, your messages and your videos to the link above, and we'll be sharing them with people around Wales who perhaps are missing their children and grandchildren too. Be a Hwb hero and send your work in today. Diolch.